Hello to my dear students. So in the previous class we were doing the lesson adjectives. So we have seen what is an adjective, yes or no? So here adjective means words that are used to describe a noun or a pronoun. Then we have also seen kinds of adjective. How many kinds of adjectives are there? There are 7 kinds of adjective. First one is adjective of quality. So adjective of qualities that show the quality of a noun or pronoun. For example, poor, intelligent, large, great, excellent, etc. And we have also seen adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity tells the quantity of a thing. For example, little, all, much, enough, great, some, etc. So next is adjectives of number. Adjective of numbers tell the number of a thing. For example, 10, many, several, few, some, second, etc. Then we have also seen demonstrative adjectives. These are the adjectives that point towards the noun that follows. For example, these, that, there, those, some, such, etc. So we have done up to here. So let's continue with distributive adjective. So what's distributive adjectives? They are adjectives that refer to each one of a number. So what they refer? They refer to each one of a number. For example, each, every, other, either, etc. Okay, everyone is present in the class. Then I don't want that book, I want the other one. Yes or no? So that way these are distributive adjective. Then interrogative adjective. Everybody you know what is an interrogative? Yes or no? So the interrogative adjective. They are adjectives that are used to ask what? They are used to ask questions. For example, what, which, whose, etc. Okay. Then last one is possessive adjective. So these possessive adjective are adjectives that show the relation of a thing. What they used to show? They used to show relation of a thing to someone. Like for example, my, this is my book, your, this that is your umbrella, his, this pen is his, her, this book belongs to her, their, etc. So these are what? They are possessive adjective. So I hope children you are clear. How many kinds of adjective? There are 7 kinds of adjective. They are adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, distributive adjectives, interrogative adjective, and possessive adjective. So let's see formation of adjective. So we can form adjective. Okay, so we can form in first rule is form noun. So how we can form adjective into noun? Honor will become honorable, beauty will become beautiful, value will become valuable. So then forms of verb: quarrel, quarrelsome, talk, talkative. Then form of other adjective like black, blackish, red, reddish. So these are the adjectives that can be formed. Let us learn how adjectives are formed with the help of some common suffix. In some other cases, while adding a suffix, we may have to change the spelling slightly. Okay, so when in some cases when we will add a suffix, we should also, or we may also have to change the spelling also. Okay, not that much but slightly. So let's see. Word is memory. So when this word will turn into adjective, it will become memorable. Then profit will become profitable. Value will become valuable. Love, lovable. Advice. Then when it is formed into adjective, it will become advisable. Comfort, comfortable. Honor, honorable. Favor, favorable. So there are more examples about the word that turn into adjective. So please go through page number 26 and 27. Okay, you look at page 26 and 27. Then let's see next page number 28. Degrees of comparison. So I hope you have got in the previous, not in the previous, in your last class, last year class maybe. So what you have got? There are 3 degrees of comparison. Which are they? Positive, comparative, and superlative. So what is positive degree? It is the form of adjective that is used to simply mention the quality of someone or something. Adjective of degree, when it is form of adjective, it is the adjective of degree is a form, positive degree is a form of adjective. Okay, so it is used to simply mention the quality of someone or something. For example, sweet, her voice is very sweet that way, okay. Warm, hard, etc. These are positive adjective. The next is comparative adjective. It is the form of adjective that denotes a higher degree of quality and compares two things which have more or less of the same quality. So comparative degree here, it denotes a higher degree of quality, okay, and it compare between two things. It compare between two things which have more or less of the same quality. For example, heavier, heavy will become heavier. Interesting will become more interesting, comparing, okay. Then next is superlative degree. It is the form of adjective that denote the highest degree more than the comparative. Comparative degree is higher degree, then superlative is highest, higher, highest of any quality. For example, sweet will become sweetest, heavy will become heaviest. I hope you are clear. So we will end our class today here. Please go through whatever I have explained and read the lesson also. Okay, thank you.